This is HyTek Automation Solutions. We're going to demonstrate on a volumetric displacement pump how to remove the pump to access the piston O-rings that are consumable and would wear out eventually. We'll remove the 4 socket head screws for the outside cap of the piston. This can be done on the machine. We'll slide the pump up and away. There is the piston. We have the O-rings there that can be just removed and replaced. Once that's been done, we'll put the pump back on, slide it over the piston, put it back in place, putting the brackets in with the hardware. And that is how to remove and replace the pump assembly to access the O-rings.